Okay, so we are very pleased to inform everyone that we are opening our 39th school in India in Coimbatore, and this will be a Vibgyor High School, which will be giving quality education to the parents of Coimbatore, and we have a presence across 7 states, 14 cities, more than 50,000 students, and more than 1 lakh parents across India. And we are very happy to come to Tamil Nadu, where we will be looking forward to providing the same level of quality education as we provide in cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, etc. in to the people of Coimbatore. Our biggest USP, I think how we Vibgyor School stands out is its unique curriculum, which is something that we have developed and updated every year from the year 2004. And that unique scripted curriculum is how we ensure that the best of performance is delivered from the students, not only in academics but also in sports and other curricular activities. Finally, our focus is on building the confidence and communication for every child from a very young age, and we strongly believe that with these two qualities inside every child, I think education is something that the child will do anyways extremely well. So looking forward, and we'll need your love and blessing, and looking forward to meeting all of you. Yeah?
The love and affection of our parents and students, we now have 39 schools all over India. We are added into, and we have close to 55,000 students and more than 1 lakh plus parents with us. So that is the profile for the group. And regarding Coimbatore, we have 13 schools in Bangalore. We have around 6 schools in Mumbai and now opened. We have a school in Baroda and we have a school in Surat. Baroda is also a boarding school for us. Apart from that, we also have a school in Gurgaon in North India, and we are very pleased to come to Tamil Nadu, and our parents, when we open a new school, we do our usual process of market study and all that. Tamil Nadu and especially Coimbatore is, the parents are very open-minded and they look for quality education, and Vibgyor type of school should be there. So it is with their choice, Coimbatore being the education hub. We thought that this is a place where parents are ready and the demand is there, and all your support to see that the school grows and we come up well in this new city. Neither we have a strategy to have franchisee-based schools. Purely by company themselves.
What has been your investment?
Investment in, and then from there it picks up. I'm talking about the teacher depends on many things. So we look for quality teachers, and our strategy generally is that that experience is there. The experience is there along with this, and then we obviously look for quality teachers in the local area, which in this case would be Coimbatore till grade 12. That is typically our model. That is how we start in every school.
From play school.
Play school. So, we have a very big team in Mumbai which is into research and development, and hence the Vibgyor curriculum is. So every minute of how the teacher will teach a particular subject and a particular class is already there as a lesson plan scripted, and we are expecting our building to be done the same model that you can look at. We'll open with all that by January. We will finish the entire construction for the school. Front office is already open. The facilities that we are providing, I think it will be good for all you. Yeah. So we provide the facilities that sports we are providing. Along with that, we have a drama, which is basically theatre. So these are the basic facilities that we